it is better you were not born than to die and go to hell. No wonder Reverend Shidi Okorafor said, if God fails to judge this world, he will apologize to Sodom and Gomorrah. Listen, a man was dreaming, and he saw the great evangelist. And the evangelist said, look at my back. He looked and saw pastor. And the pastor said, I never knew it would be like this. Look at my back. He looked and saw reverend. And the reverend said, it is a pity. Look at my back. He looked and saw bishop. And the bishop said, had I known, always be the last. Look at my back. He looked and saw pope. And the pope said, I cannot explain. Go and practice holiness and be holy. Christian salvation is personal. Answer what it na Yeshua gave you when. Answer what you be Yeshua gave you when. Ugu wa ye bana. Egypt rena. Answer what it Yeshua gave you when. Answer what it Yeshua gave you when. Ugu wa ye bana. Egypt rena. Ugu wa ye bana. Egypt rena. A big head with an active brain is a big load to the neck. Kiddie, a fool at 40 is a fool forever. Answer what it tell you, you want to be a winner. Answer what you be telling you, you now want to be a winner. Who want you want a banner? Answer what it tell you, you want to be a winner. Answer what you be telling you, want to be a winner. Who want you want a banner? Who want you want a banner? What God and a Christian, just happy. As a warrior communion, just happy. Hey, I'm sorry, oh, Bobby, wo. Answer what it tell you, you want to get one. Answer what you be tell you want to get one. Who want you want to Egypt. Yeshua gave you away. Answer what you be telling. Yeshua gave you away. Who are you ever now? Egypt. Oh Lord, who are you ever now? Egypt. If what you know cannot change you, change what you know. Today, if somebody who is poor says, follow me, you may end up being poor. Let not poverty know your home address. Hey, 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 hey. You see, I gave me a was that one white. All you have done, I wasted it for nothing. Answer what body tell you, bet you want to get away. Answer what you be tell you, bet you want to get away. Who want you want to ban? Egypt rena. Answer what body tell you. Yeshua gave you away. Answer what you be tell. Yeshua gave you away. Who are you ever now? Egypt. Who are you ever now? You can't afford to be a woman in this race. The Bible says, with yourself like men and fight. Shama, Shama, About you in our time.